When we talk about the home exterior designs, so one of the first things people notice is the main gate. So your gate is not just an entry point, it is the first impression of your house. So today in this video, let's understand why the MS gate is one of the most popular and practical choice for modern homes. And in this video I'm going to share their latest price, what are the points to remember before making the MS gate designs. MS Gate from mild steel. It is a strong, durable, and a cost-effective material widely used in construction and fabrication. These MS gates are fabricated using steel sections, pipes, sheets, and laser cut panels. They can be customized in countless designs, as you can see in this video, from simple to elegant to modern and premium designs. So you can select as per your requirement. Actually, the primary purpose of any gate is the security. So MS gates are extremely strong compared to wooden or aluminum gates. They can withstand heavy impact, harsh weather, and daily usage without bending or breaking easily. So if you want protection from the theft, strong boundary security, long lasting performance, MS gate is one of the most reliable options for independent house, villas, and even the commercial buildings, because security is non-negotiable. So and MS gates provide that confidence. And one major advantages of MS gate is durability. So friends, now let's discuss about the price. So for MS gate, there are some materials required. This includes MS square pipes, MS flats, and basic structural framework. This is the standard average weight for a normal design gate. So for a normal gate design, approximately 4 kg of material is required per square feet. So let's take example to understand that how much it will cost for making the 6 by 6 size gate. Suppose our gate size is 6 feet width, and for a height we'll keep at 6 feet. So the total area of the gate will be 36 square feet. So now if 1 square foot requires 4 kg material, so the total weight will be 144 kg. So we can round it off to approximately 150 kg material requirement. So for a 6 by 6 feet MS gate, around 150 kg materials is needed. So now let's talk about the material rates. A good quality material currently costs around 110 to 120 rupees per kg. This rate may be depending on location, steel market fluctuations, and the brand quality. So for a safe calculation, we'll take an average rate of 120 rupees per kg. Now another charges will include is labor charges. So depend on design's complexity. For us medium designs gate, labor rate is around 20 rupees per kg. So if the design is very detailed, laser cut or decorative, labor cost may be increased. So for a total material cost plus labor cost, it will cost you around 140 rupees per kg. So now we'll calculate the total cost. So the total weight of our gate was 150 kg, and rate per kg including the material plus labor charges is 140 rupees per kg. So we'll multiply this 150 into 140. The total price for gate will be cost you around 21,000 for 6 by 6. So the estimated cost is 21,000. So friends, this is the price, and if you have any queries related to the price or materials, you can ask me in the comment section. And but before finalizing your MS gate, always confirm material thickness, check the pipe gauge quality, ask whether primer coating is included. And another point is confirm the paint cost is separate or included, because it is mostly be external price. Check the hinge quality and locking system and ask about the installation charges.